Right, g'day everyone, I'm Matt from Panda Garage here today. It's been a while since I've actually made a video, to be honest. We're in the process of moving house, so I'm going to show you guys my new garage setup soon, the new Panda Garage setup. It's a little bit smaller than the one behind me, but we're back at the old house at the moment, the original Panda Garage. But today, got a bit of an issue with the compass. It seems like with Chrysler, like Fiat Chrysler cars, all the plastics seem to break very easily on these things. So today we're actually installing new water jets. Our previous ones broke in this car, first the driver's one, and then only a few days later the passenger one went too. So join me today here in the Panda Garage. We're going to install some new little jets, which I've been waiting for 4 weeks for. So hopefully they're good enough. As you can see, I've just taken the cover off. It's like they're only clipped on like here, there and there. The rest of them are sort of like folded up into this thing. I mean, you probably should take the whole thing off, but you know, I can't be arsed. So the water jets connect into these, then go up in here. As you can see, I've already removed one because I wanted to make sure I knew exactly how to do it. But the idea is that this is our new water jet. These like clip in from the top, of course, and then you add your little spout. So it's pretty straightforward. So what I used is a little pair of nose pliers like this. So what we're going to do is, as you can see, that is our new, oh, that's our old one. I don't know how exactly I'm going to push it up out of the way, but we might have to actually remove this bottom part first, because this part actually broke on the other side, completely off. So what I might do is I might put a light on you guys, so I can actually see up into the little hole, because it's very fiddly. As you can see, that's a little bit more of a better view, I guess, or as good as it's going to get kind of thing. So very narrow. Oh, it's very hard to get. I guarantee, like, Chrysler they probably have like a really fancy fandangled way of getting this out. Because there's like the two clips. These two clips, that's what I'm trying to remove. So I'm like squeezing on them. So the idea is like to squeeze them in. I could have just probably done it on the other side and just showed you guys in like 2 seconds, but you want to go up there with like a nice pair of pliers, maybe something a little bit more narrow than what I have here, just so you can get the opening on it. Oh, just broke it off. So yeah, you could break yours, I guess, if you wanted to make it a bit quicker work. There we go. So that's gone forever. As you can see, plastic's not that strong, so we'll install our new ones. That's our new one. Make sure it's got this little rubber on it. I've just given this a quick little clean too. So all it does is it should just slot in. There we go. Locked into place. Now we just go up underneath and attach our water jet, which we're going to have to pull this a little bit because for some reason it's bloody hard. Sorry guys, I keep thinking you're right with me. Yep, that should be on nice and efficient. Now we'll grab this side, quick little rub with the finger. Now it's probably not the best thing, and I'm probably going to get yelled at, but hey, there's not much you can do about it, guys. There you go, clips into place nicely, look at that. So I'm guessing you could probably buy these from Jeep. I didn't even think about it at the time because they're used pretty much on a lot of cars. A lot of Jeep products use this particular setup. So now what we'll do is clip this in. These are really easy to use too. so don't know why it shifted so much, but hey, what can you do, you know? I don't even know if that's in the right spot, to be honest. Anyway, let's give this a trial. Let's turn that off before it gives us any issues. Of course, every chime's going off, so we want to do that. Let's have a quick look. Hey, there we go. Now let's put this down. We'll try it again. Bonnet down. As you can see, got a good little spray on them. That's great. Glass looking good too. All right, I know it was a quick one today, guys, but clutching at straws at the moment for content. So thank you all so much for joining me. Remember to check us out on Instagram and Facebook, Panda Garage. Any of your questions, leave them below. Tell me what I've done wrong. Tell me what I've done right. If it helped you or not, hopefully it did. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This has been Panda Garage, and I'll see you all next time.